Welcome to our channel. Today we how to secure your credit with TransUnion, full guide step by step clearly. To secure your credit with TransUnion, start by visiting the official TransUnion website. Create an account if you don't already have one. Provide your personal information, including your name, address, and social security number. Select the option to sign up for credit monitoring services. Review the available plans and choose the one that best fits your needs. Once you've selected a plan, input your payment information to complete the purchase. After setting up your account, log in to your TransUnion dashboard. Navigate to the Credit Freeze section. Request a credit freeze by following the prompts. You may need to verify your identity through a phone call or a text message. Confirm the freeze on your credit report. Make note of the unique PIN or password provided for unfreezing your credit in the future. Regularly monitor your credit report for any unauthorized changes or inquiries. Utilize the tools offered by TransUnion to stay informed on your credit status. Consider setting up alerts for any significant changes in your credit report. Review your credit report at least once a year for accuracy. If you find any errors, dispute them immediately through the website. Take advantage of educational resources provided by TransUnion to improve your credit knowledge. Stay proactive by maintaining good credit habits, such as paying bills on time. Keep your credit utilization below 30% for optimal credit scores. By following these steps, you can effectively secure your credit with TransUnion. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.